Subject was doing some late night fishing. He's advised on park hours and is leaving tonight.
No. Range 24 minute 5, 4243 West Nash Street, Unit 2, Profile 1, Talker 10.
$240.
But
Can update both are tonight. Dispatch, mid 44 at the hospital.
let's see the hospital. But
This call was due to an electrical outlet that was all charred and burned up. It did trip the breaker. We removed the outlet. There's no extension. Breaker is going to be turned off. The homeowner is informed of that. There's no more hazard. Italian 11's returning. Command's terminated.
that's what you see. Call. But the Milwaukee. Just be advised, we do have a shove spotter that went off at 4701 West Hampton in the park, 3 rounds. They have a squad on scene. Copy, you have squads en route. San Francisco.
Car 3 on engine 4, med 16, 5061 North Overzane Road, profile 1, top 12, engine 36, responding McDonald's, 2700 West Capitol Drive, profile 1, top 13.
Just received another shot spotter, 3001 North 41, 1 round in the roundabout. It was squad en route. Yeah, squad's on scene. Definitely.
$704.77.
Good.
Let me know if you're able to establish a vehicle and I can work on that.
Yeah.
Do we have any PD responding to this?
As for engine 36, they do not have a squad assigned yet.
Therefore, you can have NPD continue. This is going to be a police matter only and PDO.
Please call on PDO. Our suspects, stand by. $704. It sounds like he routinely comes here on the bus per Walmart.
10-4.
He's in custody.
10-4. B5 dispatch, C15.
No. Dispatch from engine 111.
111.
Can you please put med 111 back up?
Message you.
It's going to be a black Chrysler minivan, 53-inch black crossing.
10-4.
It's going to be Wisconsin dealer, Mary over Victor, 4333, Frank.
Two five dispatch.
2-5.
You can show the driver in custody for OAR, OWI.
That squads are 1060 checking.
And 4.
Last name Henry Union Tom. Henry Union Nora Tom Ocean Nora. He's a junior. First name Timothy. Tom Ida Mary Ocean Tom Henry Young. Middle E Edward Male White. Date of birth 6/10 of 91.
10-4. Go ahead.
2 Charles, 4 Robert Charles, 1 Boy George, 6 Mary Robert, 539877.
10-4.
Cartoon Edge 21 Med 6, 728 East Pleasant Street, Unit 1110, Profile 1, Top 13.
Dispatch 24, CLS transfer plate. You can return the med unit.